Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on that Lionel 8351 Santa Fe diesel. We went through my parts, and I actually found an original Lionel light bulb. So I just stuck it in the socket, and we have a headlight, as you see. Up and running. It's actually a nice little locomotive. It's smooth, it's quiet, has red markers on the side. Actually running really well, as you can see. So it was definitely worth $10.50. There's no doubt about that. I don't know if you can tell how smoothly this is running, but it's just absolutely purring. All right, flip the switch, take it around in reverse. So it was definitely worth the 10 bucks. There's no doubt about that. But anyway, I just wanted to do a quick follow-up on this. Got the headlight installed in it. It's running nice. It's quiet. It looks good. It was dirt cheap. What more could you ask for? Even at slow speed, it runs nice. So anyway, got the headlight installed, it's up and running. Now it just needs to be run. And I will periodically lubricate it every hour or so. Put another drop of oil on it. This is a worm gear drive. It's a completely different kind of drive system. It's actually a powered truck. So I might do a video, pull the shell off so you can see how this is actually powered. But it runs nice, it looks nice, it was dirt cheap. A bit more cleanup, and really all it needs now is to run. So I'll run it the rest of the day, very likely tomorrow as well. And the more it runs, the better it will run. So anyway, just a quick follow-up video on that 8351 Santa Fe diesel. Looks nice, it runs nice, and it was dirt cheap. So I gotta say it, don't overlook the junk. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.